In this video, you will see how to type curly brackets on Mac keyboard on your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. It's very easy. The curly brackets are available here on the Mac keyboard just above the Enter key. But if you click on them, you won't get the curly brackets. Instead, you will get the square brackets. To get this curly left and right brackets, what you need to do is press and hold the shift button on your Mac keyboard, and now you will be able to select the curly brackets by just clicking on them. So this is the left curly bracket. For the right one, press and hold the shift button again and then click on the right curly bracket. So in this way you can type curly brackets on Mac keyboard. Now check out these useful videos related to typing on Mac keyboard. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next one.